beat and let a nigga poke. Get nigga for me straight and let a nigga smoke. Since you a freak, take the phone. Me posted in your cheat sheet.